another little mod, something slight. Just gonna add a new carbon fiber. We're gonna replace the black one on here as we slowly keep adding carbon.
It's contagious, baby.
It is, man. It is. I mean, just one thing at a time, man. You ain't got to do it all in 1 week, but slowly but surely, here we go. All right. So as you can see right now, kind of got the blacked out optics package. I'll probably keep the Audi symbol black, but yeah, we're gonna replace this small little spoiler right here. We're gonna change that, and then I'll show you what. Get a camera to woo.
What we got? Christmas in May. Part 5.
All right. So, let's see what this is. Man, they did a good job wrapping it. This is from German car accessories. It's a carbon fiber spoiler, but they did a nice job with the bubble wrap. So, big shout out to y'all on that. You know, considering it came a long way. They want to protect it. Oh, nice. And they give you some extra tape.
Yeah.
So that's a big what's up.
Always.
Being out here. You know, some fun going on. Oh, yeah. So, that's what we're going to be putting on. That's gonna look pretty mean when it's on.
It is.
Yeah. So, okay, that's why they give you the tape. So I'm going to probably add even a little more extra tape to it. But we're gonna mock it up just to kind of see what it's gonna look like on top of the other one. Mm-hmm. So obviously it won't sit flush right now. Yeah, I'm gonna like that when that's done. Mm-hmm. Then we'll go match it up with the mirror and see if it even looks.
I'm pretty sure.
Close. It came from the same company. Another reason. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. All right, so first I'm gonna just warm it up just a little bit. I don't know if I really need to or not, but just I know it will help taking off that tape. Just give it a little looser because that 3M tape that's underneath this original spoiler is just gonna be stuck pretty good on here. So just gonna run it back and forth. Remember not to leave it in no long spot. That joke will get hot. Trusty old little fishing string. Just a little fishing string and some gloves. Should work. So basically I'm just gonna, like flossing your teeth. I'm just gonna put it, instead of flossing my teeth, I'm flossing under here. So I just slide under here and just kind of go back and forth. Just like that. As you can see, it's moving. And I've seen a lot of people break the fishing line over time. Some people use dental floss, but I'm not using dental floss. I got me some good old, nice strong fishing line, and just take your time and, you know, go back and forth. Oh,
Yep.
it did, bro.
Yep.
So as it slowly gets hot, but we'll probably end up having to use about 2 to 3 pieces of fishing line as we go through this to get it all the way off. But we'll get it. Because as you can see, it goes pretty quick. Yep. Just go back and forth. Wrap it around your finger. Get a good grip. Try not to pull up, but just kind of pull towards you. Pull it towards you, not up. Because if you pull up, it's going to break even faster. But I don't know how much tape they got on here, but I'll tell you what, it's on here good.
Right. Yeah, because that's about where you got caught up the last time.
Mm-hmm. Woo. As Woo said, I'm braver than him. I ain't braver than him. He just got to just jump off that cliff, man. Just tell him, y'all, jump off that cliff.
Oh, you know how to jump.
Just don't. Ain't no. Good thing is everything can be fixed. That's where I kind of look at it now in life. I mean, like.
That's easy for him to say.
It ain't easy for me to say. It ain't easy. Hey, man. I've been waiting too long. All right. So here we go. We back at it. We halfway through. And then so far, like I say, I don't know if you go back and look at the other videos, the carbon fiber mirror caps, been totally happy with those, no issues. They still flush as the OEMs. I love them in the sunlight. I mean, they pop. So I'm hoping I get the same response for the spoiler. Yep, so just caution, you are gonna break
several.
So don't be mad, just get used to it.
Yeah.
Just expect it. Just get under here. And all the videos I've seen of other Audis, a lot of S5s, I've seen a lot of S5s make this mod, and they look good. So I'm hoping this RS5 look just as good. Okay. Come on. We gotta be getting close. There we go. Boom.
Yeah.
All the way through. Alright, so now it should just pop up. Boom.
Dang. Yeah. Ooh.
There we go. She's off. And they used some nice 3M tape.
Yeah.
All right, so now I'll show you what I got to do to get that off. All right, so I'll put the link in the description for this. It's just a little rubber wheel that's used for removing adhesive. So it's real good for removing, like I say again, debadging, getting all this 3M tape off your vehicle that's been there for a while. I know it doesn't look too pretty right now, but this thing does magic.
There. Baby eat.
Just kind of go back and forth. As you can see, starts filling this up. So as you can see, it's a little messy. It's a little messy, Woo, but it's just this is just the wheel going away. It's not the paint.
Oh,
y'all.
okay. I was
It's not the
going to
paint.
ask you.
It's not the.
It looked more like the
Yep.
wheel that was.
Yeah, it's the wheel. That's what it's designed to do. Yep. So I trade working down there. Found out once you do the rubber wheel a little bit, and then I also put some goo off on here. That helped a little bit. And then the thumb technique, just kind of rolling it, seems to work pretty good, as you can see. Just keep rolling it, and it slowly just comes off. And then we'll come back and clean all this up, some alcohol, and get it all off before we put the new one on there. All right, so as you can see, we got most of it off. The black, I ended up having to use that rubber wheel. That took it off real nice clean. So now I'm about to clean the surface with just some old 70% alcohol, just so that new 3M tape will stick a lot better. Because if you just try to go ahead and just put that on here without cleaning that surface, you're gonna mess around and your spoiler gonna be flying off somewhere. Yeah. So like right here, I still got a little more. I'm gonna probably get the rubber wheel, clean this up real good. Yep. But the alcohol will definitely just kind of remove any debris. And I mean, obviously, it's gonna be covered. All right, so now I got the new spoiler down, got the car all cleaned up. I'm gonna put, I got some thicker 3M tape. It did come with some thinner 3M tape, but I'm gonna use as much of this as I can first before I put these thinner strips down, just because I think this will get a bigger bite, you know, bang for the buck. So I'll cut some different sections. Obviously in the middle is gonna be the strongest part, but we'll see how far I can go with it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now we got the tape on there. We'll mock it up again, and then as you can see, we'll show you on the car, we kind of mocked it up previously with some green tape, so we know where the alignment, because this has a lip. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's a lip. So the only thing that's sitting on the car is this lip, so you definitely want enough tape there.
Crazy shit just happened. Y'all see my visa don't have a helmet anymore.
Oh, I think it's dirty. Okay, hold on. Hold it there. All right, watch your finger. I got it. Right. So now we started here. Started here. And then just working our way. And I had to get it outside. I'll get more footage, but so you can really see the lip. But it has a nice little flare on it now. Yep. So I like it. Got a little dust on it, but we'll get it cleaned up. Yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. We'll see. I tell you what, that tape they sent with it is strong as hell. So you got to get it right, you know.
Change the look too.
Oh yeah, give it a little more aggressive look. I think now we need that rear diffuser, y'all. I think we need to change this out. No, I ain't got it ordered yet. But all right, hey, that was another install.
Yes, sir.
We did it again. Yep, more to come. You know, they're just getting started, and then pretty soon they're getting those bikes out. I don't know if you can see it back there, but yeah, there it is.
Yeah, we ain't forgot y'all.
We ain't forgot. The bike's coming. It's just the weather been shitty.
Yeah.
So, but here we go. It's coming soon. All right, if y'all haven't already, please hit that like button. Helps the algorithm. And, you know, we appreciate it if you subscribe also.
Yes, sir.
And that bell for the notifications. All right, we'll catch y'all on the next time. All right, peace.